weight of them.
The Pathway programme is in its 6th year, and it's basically an entry programme for First Nations people into the arts. The aim of it is just to demystify some of the roles in the arts. The thinking behind it was about, well, what are the barriers? What are the things that are facing First Nations people, make it impossible for them to engage in the arts or even start a career in the arts?
I think a lot of it comes down to contacts and who you know, which this helps a lot with. I think it's just that continued need to champion representation, as well as having those safe spaces in which First Nations creatives can come together and share their ideas and stories.
The Pathways program can really ignite some excitement and passion into future Aboriginal creatives into the industry or university pathways, or even if it's just forming a network to actually support your practice.
I've had the amazing opportunity to connect with some amazing people, and it's just been awesome to be able to be creative and try out new things and learn new skills.
Many positives, everyone I've met, it's either been amazing teachers that I hope to learn from more in the future, or it's been amazing people who I want to collaborate with, actors who I'd love to one day act in a scene with, or writers who I'd love to write with and swap ideas and stories with.
For this to be led by First Nations people is very, very important to me because it provides that authenticity. It gives it that verisimilitude that we need. This isn't coming from a place of tokenism or wanting someone just to tick off a box. We're not about quotas. We're about, here at Act Now we mean what we say, we mean what we do.
Maybe one word to describe this week?
Amazing. I really like the program. I'd say amazing.